If you enjoy the scent of a fresh vanilla cupcake, then I promise you are going to love today's video because आज मैं आपके साथ share करूंगी the everything shower, the ultimate shower routine, जिससे obviously you are going to be very clean, very fresh, but the scent is going to last all day. सर्टन बॉडी केयर प्रोडक्ट्स को किस तरह से हम लेयर करेंगे इस रूटीन में, वो मैं आपको बताऊंगी, जिससे यू आर गोइंग टू बी स्मेलिंग लाइक अ फ्रेश वनीला कपकेक ऑल डे लॉन्ग. हेलो एंड वेलकम टू स्किन केयर सिंप्लीफाइड. मेरा नाम है निपुन, आपकी स्किन केयर बेस्टी एंड अ सर्टिफाइड स्किन केयर कंसल्टेंट. टुडे वी आर गेटिंग इनटू द शावर. वी आर गेटिंग इनटू द एवरीथिंग शावर. दिस इज व्हाट द गर्ल्स ऑन टिकटॉक कॉल इट एंड आई गॉट इनटू दिस रैबिट होल about a month ago. The good part was काफी सारे products मेरे पास already थे, कुछ मैंने नए order किए, and I'm telling you I have been doing this religiously few times a week, क्योंकि हर दिन तो scrub oil सब नहीं होता. Few times a week I've been doing it. Rest of the days I just do a simple layering, and I cannot tell you how much I love the results. People around me notice the results. That is how good this routine is. वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले you know the drill. Like, subscribe अगर आप enjoy करते हैं science packed daily skincare content, क्योंकि मैं बनाती हूँ एक नई वीडियो every single day here on Skincare Simplified, the only channel on planet Earth जहाँ आपको मिलते हैं detailed skincare routines. Now let's get into it because I'm super excited. The first part of the video is only going to be around the vanilla scent routine, and I'm first going to talk about the product and the changes that I made. Okay? अब कुछ लोग यहाँ पे हंसेंगे, कुछ लोग कहेंगे I'm being too much. I am just being super honest with you and sharing the routine with you as it is. तो अगर आपको अब लगे कि ये एक्स्ट्रा है तो ठीक है, अब एक्स्ट्रा है तो है. I can't help it. A few weeks ago, about a month ago, मैं TikTok scroll कर रही थी and I came across this one video where the girls were talking about the everything shower. एक वीडियो देखी, दूसरी देखी, तीसरी देखी, went through like a million videos and I was very impressed. One thing that stood out is that आजकल girls are double cleansing their body. And honestly, मैं ये नहीं करती थी. अगर आप अपनी बॉडी को डबल क्लेंस करते हैं, अभी कमेंट में yes या no लिखो, अभी के अभी. And very honestly, I used to not do that, guys. मैं शावर में जाके, of course, अगर बाल धोने हैं, बाल धोए, उसके बाद नॉर्मल शावर जेल लेके, I would just wash my body nicely. I would sometimes scrub it, but डबल क्लेंस नहीं करती थी. This is what I learned on TikTok. Apparently, you're supposed to double cleanse. पहले आपको यूज करना है एक बार सोप, उसके बाद आपको यूज करना है आपका रेगुलर शावर जेल. सो जो रूटीन मैंने क्रिएट किया या जो मैंने फॉलो किया बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट आई सॉ द क्रिएटर्स आई सॉ ऑन टिकटॉक, वो था एक वनीला सेंट रूटीन बिकॉज आई लव वनीला. If you don't know it, मैं इसके बारे में बात कर चुकी हूँ पहले. So what I was told was to use this particular Dove soap as my pre-cleanse, and ये Dove soap is a vanilla, it's like a sheer vanilla whatever, insert कर दूंगी picture. This is what is supposed to be really really good and it's supposed to last really long, and मुझे बताया गया था कि सबसे पहले आपको इसे यूज करना है. That's the first thing I learned. The second thing I learned was that आजकल ट्रेंड में है ये African nets. ठीक है, और मैंने बहुत सारे ऑर्डर कर लिए. लाइक इट्स अ पैक ऑफ 5 that I ordered off Amazon. Apparently girls are using this to scrub their body. They're not using any other kind of loofah which is plastic. But the point is ये जो African net है ये भी नायलॉन है, और नायलॉन क्या होता है, एक तरह का प्लास्टिक ही होता है. सो बेसिकली दिस इज प्लास्टिक बट दिस इज वॉशेबल. आई यूज इट एंड आई वाज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग मच फ्रॉम इट. मुझे लग रहा था कि जो रेगुलर प्लास्टिक वाले लूफाज आते हैं ये बिल्कुल वैसा होगा, बट ऑनेस्टली दिस इज जस्ट लीविंग माई बॉडी रियली रियली स्मूथ. एंड व्हाट आई लाइक इज ये थोड़ा लंबा सा है, तो इसको लेके इस तरह से बैक स्क्रब करने में बहुत आसानी होती है. सो दिस इज द सेकेंड प्रोडक्ट दैट आई लर्न अबाउट, जो मुझे नहीं पता था. The third thing I learned about was this particular Dove scrub, exfoliating body polish, brown sugar and coconut butter. अब Dove के scrubs last 2-3 साल से market में हैं, and I've actually used one previously जो एक rice वाला है. But this is pure gold. And when I say it's pure gold, I'm not joking. It's literally golden in color. This is so amazing that I want everybody to try it once, because this is just the right kind of scrub. Na zyada harsh, na zyada soft. This is just beautiful. So अभी मैं आपको products दिखा रही हूँ, and उसके बाद of course we're going to get into the routine. उसके बाद is your second shower gel, body mist, etc. etc. Now let's get into the everything shower. So the everything shower starts with dry brushing, जो मैं एक वीडियो बना चुकी हूँ already on cellulite. But I would recommend कि जिस दिन आप अपनी body scrub use करना चाहते हैं उस दिन आप dry brush ना करें. So Everything shower starts with your bar soap. Apparently that's what you start with. आप शुरुआत करते हैं using a bar soap all over your body and cleansing your body with it. अगर आपको इस तरह के African net की ज़रूरत लगती है आप use करें, नहीं तो नहीं. I actually use this just for my back and my feet on like a couple of times a week. Daily मैं scrub नहीं करती. फिर इसे वॉश ऑफ करने के बाद बारी आती है इस अमेजिंग गोल्डन स्क्रब की एंड आई कैन नॉट टेल यू गाइज हाउ मच आई लव इट. इनफैक्ट आई एम वर्किंग अ लॉट ऑन माई फीट एंड माई नीज, सो ये मैं ऑलमोस्ट डेली थोड़ा सा पैरों के लिए तो यूज़ कर ही लेती हूँ, बट अ कपल ऑफ टाइम्स अ वीक आई यूज़ इट ऑन माई बॉडी. you've cleansed your body, you've exfoliated it. उसके बाद आती है बारी आपके shower gel ki, your regular vanilla shower gel, and here I have two options for you. Number one, and the one that I absolutely love, is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Foreplay. It is the moisturizing shower gel. ये fragrance बहुत amazing है, इससे अच्छा मुझे नहीं लगता और कुछ भी है. But another fragrance that is really good is the Plum Body Loving Body Wash in Vanilla Vibes. ये बहुत similar है. इसका I just feel the Sol de Janeiro lasts longer. Also आपको कम यूज करना पड़ता है, but this is also fairly good. So then you go in with your shower gel. अब आपका shower gel खत्म हो गया, आपने नहा लिया, very good. The next step is critical. अब next step में मैं क्या करती हूँ? For my deodorant, I use this one, the Sol de Janeiro aluminium free deodorant, and this is very similar to this fragrance. In fact, iska fragrance is called salted caramel and pistachio, which still goes into that caramelly vanilla, that kind of a fragrance. It's nice. अब बात करते हैं layering की. So the layering goes body mist, body butter या body lotion, उसके बाद oil, and उसके बाद mist again. So now let me give you a couple of things that I like. So what I obviously use is this, the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. In fact, मेरे पास ये दोनों versions हैं. मैंने ये दोनों छोटू पैक खरीदे हुए हैं because I absolutely love it. And the big one I have is this AHA Bright one, which also I use from time to time. But for the purpose of the vanilla routine, I stick to one of these two. And I'm telling you guys, if there is something better than the original, it's the purple one. The fragrance is to die for. Absolutely. So first step is आप अपना body butter लगाएंगे अच्छे से. उसके बाद, while the body butter is still damp, you need to go in and mist your body. अब mist में मेरे पास काफी सारे options हैं. Of course, you've got the Plum Body Loving, and this is quite nice and it lasts fairly well. I love adding the Sol de Janeiro 59 Cherosia. This is a beautiful fragrance. और एक और amazing vanilla fragrance is this one. This is the Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla. This is also fabulous. तो इन तीनों में से कोई भी आप लगाएंगे अपने body पे after you apply the body butter. And after that, you need to seal it with a little bit of oil. So you will go in with an oil. अब oil में मेरे पास affordable option नहीं है, but vanilla scented oils या body oil, I know somewhere you get it in the Plum Body Loving range as well. मेरे पास वो नहीं है. मेरे पास ये बहुत expensive वाला है जो actually मैंने खरीदा भी नहीं था. This is a gift. This is the Laura Mercier Amber Vanilla Aromatic Body Oil. Well, this is not like the best vanilla body oil. It's not, because it's not that strong vanilla fragrance, but ये अच्छा body oil है. Of course मुझे gift मिला था and मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा use भी नहीं किया है. I've used very little of it, तो मैं इसको obviously ख़त्म करूँगी and I'm going to use it as much as possible. But this is the oil that I use because this is the only vanilla oil that I have. You can get one from Plum or whatever else. उसके बाद, while that oil is still on your body, you need to go in with your mist again. इस पॉइंट पे मैं पर्सनली मिस्ट की लेयरिंग करती हूँ. सो अगर मैंने अपने बॉडी पे बॉडी लोशन के बाद ये वाला लगाया है, I've used the Victoria's Secret one, then बॉडी ऑयल के बाद मैं ये वाला लगाती हूँ, so that I give it a little more dimension, I give it a little more character, and it's not like a flat vanilla. And guys, this will last like forever. प्लम का भी बॉडी लोशन है as an option. अगर आप if you don't want to buy Sol de Janeiro, you can just get the Plum one, which is the vanilla caramello body lotion. This is super hydrating and it smells really good. The Plum body care products are great on fragrance. My only problem is कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा last नहीं करते. But obviously they are at 1/4 the price as well. But they are good products. So honestly, अगर आपको ये vanilla routine try करना है, अब you're not sure and you don't want to spend a lot of money and आपको बस experiment करना है, experimentation के लिए Plum is the best. And then you go ahead and you layer this. I promise you, you're going to smell like a vanilla cupcake all day long. The one thing you can never forget is your body sunscreen, especially for your exposed areas. I'm still using the Sol de Janeiro one, which I forgot to bring in. मैंने एक पुरानी वीडियो में फीचर किया था. Not a big fan of the fragrance, but it's Sol de Janeiro. It kind of blends in, so I use that. या फिर कभी-कभी मैं wish care वाला use कर लेती हूँ जो completely unscented है, and that's also an option you can use. But if you are using the body oil or whatever you're using, don't think कि आप body sunscreen skip कर सकते हो, because none of these products are your sunscreen. You will still need a body sunscreen. It is super important. So just to recap, bar soap के बाद body scrub के बाद regular shower gel. So technically you're double cleansing, and because scrub is not something you do on a daily basis, so it's bar soap and regular shower gel. And I hate to admit it, but मुझे लगता है कि इसका फर्क पड़ता है. And I'm just feeling really dumb. Like at 38, I am learning how to shower all over again from TikTok, from like 18-year-old girls. But whatever it is, it works and I recommend it. Bar soap, उसके बाद shower gel, and अगर आप scrub कर रहे हैं तो बीच में scrub. उसके बाद the layering of your lotion or your butter, उसके ऊपर mist, उसके ऊपर oil, and उसके ऊपर वापस आप लगा रहे हैं mist. Basically आप हर layer को sandwich कर रहे हैं mist के साथ, and that is what is going to give you this extremely long lasting fragrance. You're going to smell like a fresh vanilla cupcake all day long. If you're a fan of this kind of fragrance, please let me know in the comments and try it. If not, okay, whatever else. Do you want to see reviews on more body care products? Because I have tons of them, which I hardly ever show to you guys. So if you want a full review on other body care products that I like, let me know in the comments. Also give me your answer to today's question, and I'll see you tomorrow in a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.